One thing about us wise guys, the hustle never ends. You shot me at that motel, your life would have been flushed on a piece of dude.
Please, Tony, I'm begging.
It's time to kill these busters, and that's on the real. Head out late night, out the clutch on my steel. So what you wanna do? They say I roll with a few, my solid ones I know about. All the dirt that we do, dude ain't you stand tall. And in the guns we trust, the value will never fall. It said we don't give a fuck, we run them up. You know it blue rags up, but once we in the pen, the suit is one blood. In the streets it's something different, everybody for his own soul. Fuck my enemy, I shoot him up with a chrome. This world is cold, but I will never fold. Keep doing what I'm doing, watch these fools exposed. Can't trust nobody, cause so many snitches in the game. They try to take us out, but we beat each wave. Don't think you brave, that's what dig up your grave. On a Sato, can't remember last time I was sane.
One thing about us wise guys, the hustle never ends.
It's the sounds of crimes, cause in the streets are do or die. Gang affiliated, homie blue ragging all the time. With the homies saying, I pull the hood, I'm gonna die. See bullets and have your names to key, push up when they fly. It's the sounds of crimes, cause in the streets are do or die. Gang affiliated, homie blue ragging all the time. With the homies saying, I pull the hood, I'm gonna die. See bullets and have your names to key, push up when they fly. Give no warning shots, told me when these shots pop. See a posted blue bandana Valleros on this block. Got the game unlocked, guarantee one would drop. I don't hesitate, homie, cut bars like God. Once the spot is hot and the blunt is gone, hit another straight on the east, local fuck the cops. It's the sounds of crimes that never stop. Till I'm dead on the ground and my casket dropped. Shout out to my Valleros on the front line, to the ones in the calle and the ones doing time. You gotta be wise and stay on your grind. Fuck these hard times, homie, it's my time to shine. Barely 19, will I even reach 25? It's hard to tell, is God or the devil by my side? I'ma die begging my body on the crazy evil side.
One thing about us wise guys, the hustle never ends.
It's the sounds of crimes, cause in the streets are do or die. Gang affiliated, homie blue ragging all the time. With the homies saying, I pull the hood, I'm gonna die. See bullets and have your names to key, push up when they fly. It's the sounds of crimes, cause in the streets are do or die. Gang affiliated, homie blue ragging all the time. With the homies saying, I pull the hood, I'm gonna die. See bullets and have your names to key, push up when they fly. The trick get real, it's either kill or be killed. You know I will, cause I'm out chasing the mill. I'm not your ordinary rapper, I'm a soldier by heart. I'm married to the hustle, we will never be apart. And in the dark, when you see a little spark, I be posted with the homies strapped up at the park. We don't bark like dogs, we creep up like sharks. Expect the unexpected, fake food rejected. Will you plan for some minutes, which you did in some seconds? I don't like to start drama, but I hate you harder than karma. With these tech nines, you won't see these balas. Fuck the police, cause we do it organized. Time for you motherfuckers to open up your eyes and realize we're the Russell Daniels on the side. Central Valley gang to the day we die. Until then, watch us on the rise.
One thing about us wise guys, the hustle never ends.
It's the sounds of crimes, cause in the streets are do or die. Gang affiliated, homie blue ragging all the time. With the homies saying,